Want to light up your HyperX keyboard? This section shows you how to quickly enable the RGB lights using both software and hardware methods. Most HyperX keyboards need the Ingenuity software for full control, but some have onboard shortcuts for basic lighting. Let's get started and brighten up your setup. The recommended way to control your HyperX keyboard lights is with the HyperX Ingenuity software. First, download and install Ingenuity from the official HyperX website. Next, connect your keyboard via USB cable. Then, launch the app and navigate to the Lighting tab. Finally, toggle Enable Lighting to activate the RGB. For wireless models, ensure Bluetooth is paired for full control. Some entry-level HyperX keyboards have onboard buttons for basic lighting control. Look for the FN key plus a lighting shortcut, such as FN plus F12 for brightness adjustments. This method works without software, but offers limited customization. Ingenuity offers extensive RGB customization for your HyperX keyboard. Ingenuity offers extensive RGB customization. You can select colors per key or zone. Choose from presets like wave, ripple, or breathing. Or create custom profiles. Use the color picker to assign hues, saturation, and intensity. Reactive lighting is also available. Game sync modes link lighting to games like Valorant or Fortnite. Brightness can be adjusted in Ingenuity using a slider from 0 to 100%. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like FN, F9, F10 on many models. Advanced options include brightness levels tied to profiles, allowing different settings for various tasks. Remember, higher brightness drains battery faster on wireless keyboards. If your HyperX keyboard lights aren't working, start by checking the connection. Make sure the keyboard is properly connected via USB or Bluetooth for full functionality. Next, verify that HyperX Ingenuity software is up to date. Download the latest version from the official website to ensure compatibility. Occasional driver conflicts can occur. Visit the HyperX support portal to check for patch notes and download any available updates. For wireless models, ensure the battery is fully charged. Low battery levels can prevent lights from functioning properly. To enhance your experience, consider using AI-assisted lighting presets in Ingenuity, which adapt to in-game actions. Calibrate brightness based on usage to save battery on wireless models. Keep the Ingenuity software updated for the latest features and bug fixes. Looking ahead to future trends in HyperX keyboard lighting, expect deeper integration with smart ecosystems and cross-device syncing. HyperX is also advancing AI-driven customization that adapts lighting to user habits. Sustainability is a key focus, with low-power LEDs and biodegradable materials reducing environmental impact. Stay tuned for lighting that responds to virtual environments in VR and AR setups.